Oppo Reno 2 revealed. Oppo Reno 2 Review 2019. Hey guys! I recently bought Reno 2 mobile phone, and so far, it has been super amazing. The 48 megapixels is really great guys, you should check it out. The sky is really the limit here, with the 48MP ultra clear main camera. 8MP wide-angle lens, 13MP telephoto lens, and a 2MP mono lens at your disposal. Capture all of your imaginations, wherever they take you, however and whenever you desire. Let's jump in and discuss the features of Oppo Reno 2. Hardware parameter. CPU model, Qualcomm SnapdragonTM 730G. Inside Reno 2 we have Android, but this Android isn't like what you will get on a OnePlus mobile device, such as Samsung Galaxy devices. Instead, it is running what Oppo describes to as ColorOS, which is way simpler, as compared to the other non-Oppo smartphones. Oppo Reno 2 is running ColorOS 6.1, which is built on a base of Android 9 Pie. Size and weight. Length x width, approximately 160mm by 74.3mm. Display. The display here is pretty decent. AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16M colors. This device has a size of 6.5 inches, 104.1 square centimeters, 87.5% screen-to-body ratio, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 401 pixels per inch density. The screen protection is the Corning Gorilla Glass 6. This display also has its own under-display fingerprint scanner. Rear camera. 48 million plus 13 million plus 8 million plus 2 million zoom 4 photographic system. The cameras on the back of this device are surprisingly decent. The main shooter is a 48 megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture. A 26mm wide lens, 1/2.0 inch sensor capturing pixels, that is 0.8 micrometers in size. This camera unit works with PDAF as well as optical image stabilization technology. The back also features a 13MP camera with f2.4 aperture, 1.0 micrometers pixels, a 1/3.4 inch sensor, and PDAF. This is a telephoto lens, capable of 2x optical zoom and 5x hybrid zoom. There's also an 8 megapixel camera with aperture f2.2, with a 13mm ultra-wide lens and a 1/3.2 inch sensor that'll capture 1.4 micrometers size pixels. The last lens is what Oppo refers to as a bokeh lens, which basically just meant it will assist with deducing focus for you. This smallest of the four cameras is 2MP BW with f2.4 aperture, a 1/5 inch sensor, and pixel size at 1.75 micrometers. There's a dual LED flash on the back as well. Front camera. 16 million pixel beauty selfie f2.0, 26mm wide, 1/3.1, 1.0 micrometers. Features an LED flash, HDR and video of up to 1080p at 30 fps. Video function. 4K, 1080p, 720p, slow motion video capture. Identification. Support light-sensitive screen fingerprint and face recognition. Light-sensitive screen fingerprint unlocking success rate increased by 4.3%. Unlocking speed increased by 12.5%. Operating system. ColorOS 6 based on Android 9 development. Multifunctional NFC. Dual card. Nano SIM card, Nano USIM card. Data function. Bluetooth 5.0 Type-C 3.5mm interface WLAN-OTG data transmission. Sensor. Geomagnetic induction, on-screen proximity sensor, under-screen light sensor. Acceleration sensor, gravity sensor, gyroscope, and support step function. GPS navigation. Built-in GPS, support a GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS. Battery life. This smartphone has as long-lasting battery like the Google Pixel 3a XL and the OnePlus 7T. non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh battery. Charging. Oppo included a charging system with 20W fast VOOC, specifically VOOC 3.0, which means we're meant to get approximately 50% of a full charge from zero in half an hour. Go to Amazon by clicking the links below, and order your piece. Buy now, by clicking on the links in the description below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment or like our video. Click that notification button so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye bye for now.